live right now than I used to do, because right now I'm live from my phone because I'm here in the middle of the Alps. I'm here in France. I'm skiing here basically, and my Wi-Fi is so bad. So I'm trying to do it through my phone. So let me quickly check up if everything is right now right, and if everything is right now working, because I don't know exactly. I've never done it before through my phone. So let me quickly check this up, of course. But guys, thank you for already tuning in, of course. And let me see if we are live right now real quickly. Let me see. Because the Wi-Fi on my computer, the Wi-Fi here basically is not so good here. And I see it works. Is it working? Let me know in the chat here. What's Kasta? Yo, everyone's saying yes, it works. Yes, I see already you guys are tuning in towards the stream right now. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in towards the amazing stream here. Guys, I see a lot of questions coming in right away in the chat here, and I will be keeping my eyes wide open on the chat, of course, because I'm interested about what you guys currently think of it, of course. But the first question is, can you buy it without KYC? Yes, you can buy it without KYC, and I'm doing some quick checkups. If everything is working, let me know in the chat if everything is working correctly, but it seems to be working correctly. And guys, I'm here in the middle of France, of course, like I told everyone already about, but like you can see, Kasta is going to get launched in 17 minutes from now on. So this is going to be absolutely crazy. I'm looking forward towards it as well. Before going in towards this, guys, I'm going to go real quickly over Bitcoin, because I've not discussed Bitcoin live with you guys out there yet. I know I don't like to do it through my phone. I like to do it through my computer, but like I told everyone already before, the internet is not so good. So let me go over Bitcoin on this way right now, of course. So Bitcoin is currently, of course, trading in some kind of an ascending triangle. You can clearly see downward slope resistance line getting formed, and every single time by this resistance line, we're getting rejected. And it looks to be like we're forming a very clear, range of resistance, of course. And of course, the green box here on the lower side is very good support. So we have been seeing, of course, this range basically holding Bitcoin up here on the lower side, and I've been warning everyone already about it. As soon as we do break, of course, this lower side of support, we're going to be looking for, of course, way lower targets. But as soon as we do break above the top side, we're going to look, of course, extremely bullish. So that's the thing that I look forward towards. We could be in for, of course, an approximately 5.8% increasement in price. But of course, as well, you can clearly see we have been on the 4-hourly time frame as well, creating a downward sloping trend line, like you can see over here. Downward sloping trend line on Bitcoin getting formed here, getting rejected every single time from the top side, and we are as well forming an upward sloping support line. Everyone's saying it's so blurry. I do understand that. I really try to make the best I'm trying to do the best as possible, because my internet is currently absolutely bad. Like you can see, I was doing a speed test because I was willing to go live, and look at how bad the Wi-Fi is here. I'm here with my family, and it's very shit. 2 Mbits upload, so I was not able to stream with it. So I'm doing it through my phone 4G. So looking forward towards what we're currently having with this, of course. It's looking pretty solid right now. It's looking pretty good, of course. We can clearly see, on the Bitcoin chart right now, 4-hourly time frame, rejection by the range here, and Bitcoin is coming down a little bit further on right now, like you can see over here. So it looks to be that we are coming down again, and of course, as soon as we're going to come down towards this range of support over here, the green box, of course, I will be looking to accumulate once again further in towards my trades here. So that's for me definitely an accumulation range here, but I've said it several times before. If we're looking and scaling out here on Bitcoin, we can clearly see, of course, we have been in a bigger downtrend here. We've been coming down from the highs here, and since we came down massively from those highs here, you can clearly see we're right now forming a continuation pattern, and in this case, of course, it's an ascending triangle. So I do look forward towards what we're going to get outside of this ascending triangle. If this ascending triangle does break down, of course, what is going to be likely, because an ascending triangle is a continuation pattern, and usually continuation patterns tend to be, of course, as well, continue the trend where they're, of course, currently trading in. So that's something I look forward towards, but as soon as it does break out still towards the upside from this point, we could be still in for a massive market increasement. So we're looking forward towards, but I see a lot of questions coming in about Kasta. Where do I pick up Kasta? Where do I pick up Kasta? So, guys, real quickly going to say it. It's very easy. First of all, you need, of course, your BYBIT account. You need a BYBIT account. If you're going to set up a BYBIT account right now, you will be probably still in time, because like you can see over here, in literally 14 minutes from now on, the token is going to go live, and we're going to see it all together. What is absolutely crazy. I am very much looking forward towards the token launch altogether. I'm very much looking forward towards what we're going to get here, and maybe this is a little bit better. Yeah, the light is a little bit better like this. So I'm very much looking forward towards the token launch, how it is going to be performing like here, and we're going to literally see it in 30 minutes from now on. Can you make a market order on Kasta? I mean, guys, I'm going to say already one thing here to all my viewers to protect you, you guys, the viewers, of course. Don't buy market. Don't buy Kasta in the first minute. I will be not do that. I won't do that. I think it's extremely bad if you're going to be buying Kasta within the first 5 minutes. I am not planning to do so as well. I already got my allocation through BYBIT, so I already got 9,000 tokens. So that's absolutely crazy because I committed quite a lot of bit now, of course. So what I should do right now here is not, of course, right away go in towards the project. I should not right away market buy in, because if you're going to be market buying in towards Kasta, you're going to go to basically, because then you're buying for a very high price here, and you're probably higher. Just like if you guys remember with the V launch here on the market, the token had so much demand, and that was the reason we were seeing, of course, the token absolutely skyrocket towards the upside. But we do know, guys, by the way here, if I say it correctly, every single token that's getting listed here on BYBIT, you cannot market order in. You can only, in the first 5 minutes of the token launch, you can only limit order in. So probably there's not going to be an oh wait, I have to put the plug in here of my laptop here, because otherwise it's going to be empty. So the first 5 minutes you probably can't market order in even, because it's not possible, so you can only limit in, and then it's going to be the question, what is a good place to limit order in towards the market, of course, right? So for me, what I learned from token launches here is that usually the first 4 hours is not really the time that you should be buying. It's like more the first 4 hours of a token launch are like exciting. But I should be, if you're really willing to be investing your money into Kasta, if you believe in the project, of course, I should not go and buy the tokens right now. I should just give it a little bit more of time here, because probably you're going to be buying way too high if you're going to be buying in the first, let's say, 4 hours, because people that like me that got into the launchpad here, bought the tokens for 4 cents a token, and let's say Kasta is going to $2, what is absolutely possible today, we're going to see already a 200x, of course. So that is going to be, no, not 200x here, that's going to be already a 50x, of course. And that is, of course, a thing that you do have to take in consideration. And those people could be dumping on you. I mean, I'm not planning to be standing off here, especially in the first 2 to 6 months here. I'm not planning to take any profits. I'm planning to use the platform to make payments, of course. But I should be very careful in the first minutes of the token launch here. So please do not FOMO in here. That's my very big message. And that is also a message that I'm giving to you guys out there to just protect my viewers. But guys, real quickly here, we're back here. But look at real quickly the view here. Absolutely amazing in the Alps here. Looks very cool. I'm just keying around here. And I was just back to my apartment. I went back to my apartment because I was willing to be here for this token launch here. And of course, I rather would like to do, of course, more live streams with you guys out there on the channel. But unfortunately, like for the last 3 days, I've been not able to do so. And for the coming 4 days as well, I will be not able to stream. But afterwards, guys, I can promise you, I will be back with good internet, because my internet is absolutely BS right now. And I will be back with better streams as well, and not these phone streams, of course, because I don't like the streams here from my phone. I mean, I don't like to do stuff from my phone, you know, because I mean, it doesn't feel right, you know, the quality is very bad. So it's going to be crazy. The last 10 minutes just started, of course, guys. The last 10 minutes just started. And let me go over as well some other charts here. Let me go over real quickly Ethereum. Ethereum has been holding up very well here, and just look at how slow the internet is here. That's really why I'm doing it through my phone here. But let's go over Ethereum for a second, because Ethereum, in my opinion, and let me load up the chart here while I talk to you guys. Ethereum, in my opinion, I mean, not only in my opinion, Ethereum has been performing very well here. Ethereum has been doing very strongly, and the chart is loading up. So let me get towards the correct chart right now. But Ethereum has been holding up very strongly against Bitcoin. It has been bouncing back a little bit stronger, but mainly I am looking towards a pattern here in Ethereum. Oh, the quality is too bad to see the quality is too bad. Okay, I mean, Yeah, that's pretty unfortunate. I would have loved to see a little bit of better quality, but unfortunately, guys, I'm so sorry the quality is so bad here. But basically, what we do see over here is that the Ethereum price action is forming a major falling wedge here, and that is of course an extremely bullish bias pattern here. And I personally do expect this token is going to be Ethereum is basically going to be smash. This downward slope resistance line and of course breakout towards the upside. So that's something I do look forward towards right now for Ethereum. And basically this falling wedge structure is extremely bullish, and I just can't wait to see when it is going to be breaking out. Of course, the last 3 days here we've been already seeing, of course, this level of resistance getting retested, and we were already about to be breaking out. But as soon as Ethereum does break this daily trend here, we could be in for a very significant market move towards the upside. So that's the thing I do look forward towards right now here. An approximately $100 increasement towards the upside could already result in, of course, a breakout for the Ethereum daily chart. And that's also a thing I'm still waiting for. As soon as we do get this breakout, it's going to be game on. And I've been saying it several times before, Ethereum is looking very, very much ready. But right now, let's go back into our Kasta, because Kasta is getting launched in 7 minutes from now on, guys. In 7 minutes from now on, the token will be going live. And a lot of people are asking the same questions. What is the token launch price? Guys, the token launch price is going to be 4 cents. So 4 cents is going to be the token launch price for everyone who doesn't know yet. What is the initial market cap? Initial market cap of Kasta will be, of course, 1.5 million US dollars. And that is going to be pretty crazy. That's going to be pretty crazy. And in 7 minutes from now on, we're going to be seeing this chart absolutely flying, most likely. The pair is Kasta against USD Tether. For everyone who doesn't know yet here, you can already go towards this page over here where you can literally see the countdown. How you come there is that you go to BYBIT, and of course, if you don't have an account already, go and sign up right now, because you still have 7 minutes before it's going live. But go to spot, you just select Bitcoin or whatsoever, then you press on spot again, and of course, I do know the quality is extremely bad probably, and then you can see quoted in USD Tether, and then you can see where is Kasta. I don't know exactly where Kasta is, but Kasta is somewhere between these tokens here, and you can of course already click on it, and that's of course absolutely crazy, because yeah, you can then see this chart and you can see the countdown live on the screen, what I of course would love to see, of course. So yeah, I do look forward towards what we're going to get from this point. And I mean, it's just coming so close right now, and I'm excited because yeah, I mean, I got my 9.5k tokens, and I'm ready for this increasement in the price. I mean, I look forward towards it. Double top on Bitcoin, my bro. Happy skiing. I mean, I'm not really scared about Bitcoin not going up anymore from this point. I mean, Bitcoin is of course in a significant downtrend right now. Price action is getting suppressed for already the past 2.5 months, basically, for Bitcoin. But am I really scared? Am I really scared for the Bitcoin price action to really break down towards 30k? No, I'm not at all. I mean, some people say like, I yesterday showed a chart where we were seeing literally that the Bitcoin interest on Google Trends has been drastically going down. That is basically for me a pretty bullish signal, because I like to be buying more Bitcoins once, not a lot of people are interested in it. Right now we're seeing that, and that is of course a very positive thing that we do have here. And then someone said, but maybe Bitcoin is just dead. And I said to him like, you make the most amount of money in crypto if you're buying into assets that no one is of course looking in towards at that point. So that was also a thing that I do think right now. How long is it going to take for Bitcoin? I think January is going to be the month here. I will be still say this week. I think tomorrow, or I think today, tomorrow, or the day after is already going to be probably the breakout towards the upside, and then we're going to see a continuation in the weekend most likely, or a sideways action on the weekend. But I mean, before this Friday, I'm basically expecting massive market volatility, and most likely it's going to be towards the upside. Of course, there could be as well still a liquidation event here, that we're first going to see a massive market movement down, and then an increase in price. Could be for sure possible. But that's not really a thing that I'm anticipating. What's a good limit order for Kasta? I will be going for 8 cents here. I mean, I don't know if you will be getting filled. I mean, guys, if you want to be getting your limit orders filled here in Kasta, you have to be very quick. You have to be very, very quick, because, yeah, there's going to be probably a lot of demand. There's going to be a lot of demand, and I don't know how it is going to be here. I don't know how it's going to be due. Probably 8 cents, you will be not have any chance here. And guys, the delay of the stream is very for nothing, basically, because I see the chat right away talking about the things I say here. So we literally have maybe 5 seconds delay or so. That's absolutely crazy. So people are asking me as well, what country are you in? I'm currently in France, and it is absolutely crazy nice here. I mean, everyone's saying as well, nice background. Indeed, guys. I mean, in just a moment ago, I was still up on that mountain over there. But yeah, let's see what we're going to get here. Oh, good, nice. With launch, you did a limit order. Yeah, of course, you can already set your limit orders right now. Let me know. Is that possible? You can already set up your limit orders. Um, I think you can already set up your limit. I don't know if it works. I mean, you have to search it. I mean, you have to figure it out yourself because I have never bought in towards Launchpad tokens that has been, yeah, that are literally going live in a few minutes. Nope, it's not possible. Can't. You can't. You can't. You can't. No. I mean, you. Yeah. I mean, like the platform is allowing me to, but I think it will be, let's say, it will be invalidated. Let's say, oh yeah, it's upcoming. Indeed, if I press it, it says upcoming. So you can't do it yet. But guys, what you can do right now, if you want to be the quickest to get your limit order in, is that, let's say, you set already up your limit order over here. And guys, by the way, I will be as well give away $2,000 worth of Kasta tokens, and I will be giving it away probably not live in the stream because it's very hard for me to do so through my phone because yeah, I'm currently on my phone. So I will be doing the Kasta token giveaway of $2,000 because I'm going to just give $2,000 to one of you guys out there. That's absolutely crazy. And I will be doing it later today on my Twitter page, of course. And as well, guys, what you can currently see over here, BYBIT US trade spot Kasta USDT. That's basically the tag. I mean, if you, I will be posting this on Twitter. So give me a second, guys. I will be posting this real quickly on Twitter, so you guys can go over the launch pair, and I'm live right now. So we'll be quickly give the live stream a link here on my Twitter page. And of course, guys, if you're interested in the token pair, I just did a tweet about the token pair. So it's currently loading up because my Wi-Fi is very slow here on my computer. That's the reason why I'm on my phone, because I normally do everything on my computer, but currently it's on my phone. But like you can see over here, this is the link. I am currently sending it, but it's still loading up. So give me a second till this tweet is sent. But we're going to be witnessing the token launch in literally 1 minute and 40 seconds. 1 minute and 40 seconds, and we're going to go live here, guys. Make sure that you are prepared. I'm currently waiting maybe 2 or 3 hours after the launch here to settle in for extra buys here, for bigger market buys here, because I already got my 9,500 tokens. And after the token does go live for this price over here, I am going to be waiting maybe 3-4 hours. And then once the market and once the volume settles down here, and guys, I'm very interested about what kind of volume there will be on the market, of course, right? But once the market cools off here, I'm going to look to, of course, accumulate, because I am personally a long-term investor. I never really invest in short-term things here, and as well with Kasta, I am a long-term investor. So guys, hopefully you can see it correctly, but we are literally going live in 50 seconds. 50 seconds. It's like New Year, indeed. It's like we're going in towards the next year, but we are already in the new year. So 50 seconds to go right now, guys. And we're going to go live with the token. And real quickly checking up here, guys. The pair, if you want to be checking out the trading pair, go to my Twitter page real quickly, because we're going to get launched in 30 seconds from now on. How to buy is, you have to set up your account on BYBIT. You can find all the links in the description, and you go to spot and you go towards, of course, Kasta. So guys, make sure to check it out. But in 10 seconds from now on, this is going to be epic. The token launch we've been waiting for on live and running. Congratulations. And I don't see anything yet here. Probably it has to load up a little bit here. It is there. It's loading up. The chart is loading up. The order book as well is loading up, guys. I'm very curious about how it's good. This is better. I think you guys can see it better right now. I closed the lines behind me. So probably the token is already live here. I don't know exactly what's going on here. I'm refreshing it real quickly. It's loading up. It's loading up. I don't know what it's doing, guys. This is very interesting. This is very interesting, what we're currently experiencing with the Kasta token, where we'll be trading on. Guys, make sure to drop your predictions right now in the chat here. I'm very curious. I'm keeping you guys up to date what is currently playing out here. So far, it's not been really anything that has been working. I mean, it's still loading up here. I don't know. Are there some delays? Let me know in the chat here. I'm also logged out here. I don't know why. Oh, I'm logged in back in. $3. Oh, okay. I see some people saying it in the chat. My BYBIT is also not working. Already $1. Guys, why is it not loading up on my screen? Come on. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. Okay, I will be giving it some time here. BYBIT crashed. Oh, everyone's saying it in the chat here. BYBIT is crashing. Everyone is saying it in the chat. I mean, there are probably, guys, millions and millions of people right now. I mean, I don't like this. I want to see the view behind me, of course. So there are probably millions and millions of people currently buying into Kasta, and that's the reason why we're having this this big delay here on the chat. I mean, I'm going to be keep my eyes wide open on it right now. It's currently still not loading up here. It's so amazing that we counted out for New Year and it is still not loading up. So I'm keeping you guys up to date, of course, about it. I'm quickly going to go towards the homepage real quickly of BYBIT. Let me see. $1.30 right now is what some people are saying in the chat right now. $1.30. So guys, we're going to go in towards the chart real quickly as soon as possible, but the chart is not loading up currently. So that's the big issue. What about the BYBIT app here? $5 people saying made 400k. I mean, whoa, damn man, you're making a lot of money. Maybe it's not only on. Let me see if it's over here already. No, it's not over here yet. Okay, guys. I mean, this is taking so long. Let me check up on this. Let me check up, guys. This is so. I mean, this is so interesting, and I can't even see it because it's not. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Come on, load up. Some people are saying. Some people are saying, I thought I had to be buying it with bid down. No, you have to buy it with USD Tether, man. We have been saying that several times as well in the stream. And of course, the pair was also announced on our Twitter page everywhere. So it is indeed against the USD Tether pair. So can't find Kasta, guys. It is, I mean, currently what we're having is major difficulties on the BYBIT platform because BYBIT is experiencing a huge amount of traffic, what they probably have never seen before. So we are currently still checking up here because that token is right now live for already 3 minutes. Let's see, BYBIT is completely down here. Everyone is saying it in the chat here. Everyone is saying it in the chat. For me as well, BYBIT is complete. I mean, it's loading up, but nothing is loading on the BYBIT side here. So BYBIT is currently experiencing a high amount of traffic through this side, what is of course absolutely crazy. So we're going to quickly try to find on Kasta over here. I'm trying to search it up here. I'm trying to search it up. Everything is down here, but I'm trying to load it up, guys, and we're going to see the chart all together live here. So everyone is saying it in the chat. Nice side here. So guys, you have a little bit more time here. You have a little bit more time. Some people say, oh, you still see I'm live here if I like do that. I will be not try to do this. It's not loading at all. Me off for me as well, so that's pretty crazy. Have to log in. Works fine for me. I mean, Kasta $1. Everyone is saying it in the chat here. Kasta is trading on $1, guys. At $1, if Kasta is currently trading on $1, I have to check it up myself here. It basically means that Kasta since the I have to check it up myself here. It basically means that Kasta since the launch already did a 25x here. Is it more? Yeah, no, 25x here because launch price was 4 cents here. Trading right now on $1. It basically means it has done in at 25x. What's absolutely crazy. What's absolutely crazy. But currently we are seeing a huge amount of traffic through the site of BYBIT. Oh, and that's the reason why we're currently experiencing, of course, a little bit of harder time to be finding it up again. So let me see. What's the symbol? The symbol is Kasta USD Tether. Kasta USD Tether. That's the symbol. Sold at 2,000. Whoa, is it? What's the? I don't know exactly. So keep me please up to date about the price section of the token. Well, mine is still loading up here. And wallet is basically not loading up at all here. It's not loading up at all. I'm here on the side, but it's not working for me. So yeah, let's see how this is going to go. So let me know in the chat here, guys. Don't worry about try your phone. I'm currently live streaming through my phone here, so that's the reason I can't check it up here. So that's pretty frustrating, I can say here. Pretty frustrating. It's $1.06 here right now. Okay, thank you for the information, Bram. I think a lot of more people are experiencing the same difficulties. So people are saying, should I buy right now? I've said it already several times before. What I'm currently myself doing here is like, I like to be waiting. I like to be take it a little bit slower. I like to wait maybe 2 or 3 hours after the launch here. I can't buy. Can I buy Kasta though? I didn't. I mean, you can't buy Kasta with BIT. If you want to be buying into Kasta, you have to be doing it with USD Tether. You can't buy BIT. It's measures against the USD Tether pair. Let's see. It ain't showing on the BYBIT app. Maybe you have to refresh it here. Currently, I'm trying to refresh it as well for myself. But yeah, this is very, very crazy. I mean, nothing is loading up. I mean, all my other signs are loading up here, but the Kasta, sorry, but the BYBIT chart is not loading up. So it's definitely difficulties with BYBIT right now. Oh wait, I can see there's a wrapped ether. So I have one chart here, and this only against wrapped ether. So wrapped Ethereum. A chart that went live here. Maybe wait, I can search up the DEX here, because I think if I wait, give me a second, guys. I will be quickly search up the contract address. Let me go over it. Are we still live? Let me know in the chat. We should be still live though. Yeah, we're still okay. So let me search up here the contract address. The VChain. No, it's not. It's not. Yeah, still live. Okay, guys. So yeah, it was all out of nowhere. It said in my chat here. Sorry, it said in my screen that we were losing connection. So that's of course never a good thing to action. So that's of course never a good thing to have while you're streaming, because you need connection if you're streaming. Have while you're streaming, because you need connection if you're streaming, of course. BYBIT is that indeed. It definitely is down to BYBIT right now. The reason why we are experiencing these troubled times with finding up the chart, of course. Tens of millions are on Kasta page right now. Yeah, I mean, it's everyone is searching. I mean, I want to be having a contract address so we can search up. I mean, I can't find a contract address yet here. Who I would love to find one. Because if I can get a contract address out here, we could be, of course, search up the chart, not on BYBIT, but somewhere else. But that's, of course, not live yet here, I think. I mean, the launch on the DEXs are usually a little bit later. So currently, the launch is going through BYBIT, and later today, probably the Shiba is 1 cent. No, it probably can't ever hit honest. Kasta wrapped ether. This is probably not the right contract address. It's just not loading up. It just doesn't want to be loading up here, guys. So everything is crashing, too much traffic. Don't worry about your communication here. You're doing great. I mean, guys, I feel so terrible because I would like to, of course, see the chart together with you guys out there here on the channel. But unfortunately, we can't see so. So I'm still waiting till BYBIT does solve its issues. But it looks to be that we're not finding any solutions towards the BYBIT issues currently. Delisted, question mark, no. 7.4 million US dollar volume already. That's quite a lot here, to be honest, Matthew. That's quite a lot of volume that is currently coming up towards the token. I was not expecting such a high amount of volume, of course, coming towards the market. So guys, I'm currently once again back towards the trading pair. So just this is a thing. Oh guys, oh, we have a chart. We finally got a chart. Yes. Okay. Update for everyone. We've got a chart. We're trading currently on 90 cents here. We went all the way up here to $1.43 here after the token launch of 4 cents, of course. So let me quickly go over right away what kind of a multiplier we basically made here, because this is a pretty significant one here. So far, 7.4 million in volume, what is quite crazy, of course. Let me see. We've been so far experiencing in 25x approximately. What is of course pretty good here. 90 cents currently, guys. So we can see a lot of limit orders flowing in towards the market. 90 cents is the price Kasta is currently trading on, and that is of course a beautiful launch that we did got on the market. So guys, if you can't see it, because I still see people saying in the chat, I can't load up the chart here. We have it for you guys in front of your screen right now. So 90 cents is the token launch here, 91 even right here. So that's of course an absolutely beautiful one. I just got logged out, like I can see over here. I don't know why I got logged out here, because I just logged in everything. But I'm not going to try to log in towards my BYBIT account right now, because I'm scared I'm going to lose the chart right then. So it is looking pretty epic here. Pretty significant candle. Let me go towards the 1 minute chart here to really see the amounts of volatility. Yeah, like you can see here on the token launch, we saw a massive market increasement. I personally do as well expect that there's going to be more volatility in the coming minutes ahead of ourselves. So yeah, this is absolutely crazy token launch we did. Right now have access towards the platform again. Because like you can see, should be alright right now. So yeah, it's indeed. I think right now everyone will be having access towards the token again. So look at the price going. It is going $1.20. I think currently, like there were some some issues with the platform, but right now we are seeing that the volume is spiking up again. So look, a lot of people are saying I can't log in here. What's Kasta? A little bit crappy here today. I have to admit that one here. It should have been, of course, foresee this kind of an event coming towards the market. Where to be buying? You can be buying this kind of token here on BYBIT if you are interested in it, of course. I mean, I don't know to buy it or not. It's up to you, but I think I can make you can make still from this point good profits with 30x, guys. I mean, the launch, that's absolutely mind-blowing. 30x of your initial investment on the launch day is already crazy. Maybe it's still going to do 50x. If we're going to go for 50x, we have to touch the $2. Guys, let me know in the chat if we can touch the $2 today. That will be, of course, an absolutely crazy target if we could be reaching that today here. Your internet connection is terrible today. Yeah, I know, man. You're lagging, Rover. I do know. I do know. I mean, guys, I mean, I wish my connection was a little bit better, but it is absolutely terrible. It's absolutely terrible. I've been already warning everyone about it. That's the reason why I'm doing it through my phone, because my phone is a little bit better. Better than my computer, because my computer is absolutely terrible. So guys, the token, I mean, I think you know what, I don't know if you see it as well here. Why aren't people using Uniswap? Because probably because of the fees, and I don't know if the contract address is already out here publicly, of course. But what we can see right now, there was a very low amount of volume on the token launch here. This was because the platform of BYBIT was of course getting, yeah, they were having some issues, of course, and then it came back live again, and then for the 4 minutes in a row, guys, we were seeing an approximately 2 million of volume in a candle. So we're currently seeing a major amount of volume coming towards this 1 hourly candle already. What is of course absolutely lovely to see, and we're trading on $1.40, guys. We are flying. We are flying. This is crazy, of course. So far, it's doing a 33x, like you can see over here. 34x almost. So token already doing a 34x is absolutely mind-blowing. I can't log in. I mean, I feel very terrible for the people that can't log in right now, guys. I feel very terrible for the people that can't log in right now, because people want to be buying this token, and of course, if you did bought it like 90 cents, you already double down your initial, of course. I sold my 9,500 Kasta tokens for $2,000. I mean, I don't know if it's a good buy, man. I don't know if it's a good one. I mean, I think your 9.5k tokens, you could have easily sold them for maybe 30k here. Let me see. Gotta get Starlink. Where can I buy it apart of from BYBIT? I mean, it will be launching outside of BYBIT on Dexus in like a few hours from now on. So that's still a thing that we're waiting for. But yeah, look how it is flying. BYBIT is lag. I mean, BYBIT is indeed laggy. But right now everything looks to be sorted out here, and that's the reason But right now looking good again for BYBIT. But we can see a significant increase in price action here. Some people are saying selling on $4. I don't know. I think $3 is a pretty decent target. I think $5 as well. But yeah, it's of course up to you what you want to be doing here. Very angry people on Twitter. In the end of the day, guys, we can't do anything about what BYBIT, of course, is experiencing right now with the traffic, of course. But look, no one is really selling off their tokens. It's just there's a lot of sell pressure coming towards it. Look at the volume. We're getting an approximately, for clarity, guys, we're getting an approximately more than 1 million volume, a 1 minute candle. So we're seeing every minute more than $1 million in volume coming towards us. So currently we're experiencing a 1.5 million volume candle. Oh my gosh, that's absolutely crazy. We're seeing like 2 million, 1.5 million 1 minute candles, guys. That's absolutely crazy for token that just got launched here. The hype, of course, around Kasta is absolutely insane already. We do know that. And it is currently doing a 40x since the launch. And I've been asking you guys on Twitter, what is a good 40x token? And we have been finding it. And for sure, guys, the people that got in towards the launch, get Launchpad, congratulations that you bought in towards this token for very cheap, of course, because that's making you, of course, tons of money right now, because you 41x your initial. You 41x your initial. That's absolutely mind-blowing, guys. Just imagine you invest. Of course, you could only invest 9.5k. That's a little, you invested $500 and you 40x it in just a 42x it right now already, because the token is absolutely exploding right now. Excuse me for not showing a chart here. But it's absolutely exploding. You're making so much money in such a quick way, and look how it is going. There's so much orders flowing in towards this market, and you can see, of course, the order book on the right side. That's absolutely crazy. I'm still looked at. I feel very terrible for you, Demik, for the people that are right now missing out on the token. It's standing on a 44x right now. It's standing on a 44x right now, so that's pretty crazy. It's heading towards $2. I invested 200 and got 21. The point here is you paid 4 cents a token, but of course, depending on how much money you invested, depending on how much money you locked in here, how much bid down you locked in is depending on how much Kasta you're buying. But you can buy every single Kasta token for 4 cents a token. That's what we were seeing literally over there. So if you're going to sell off your Kasta tokens right now for 4, we're about to do 50x, guys. We're about to do a 50x here. But should I wait now or wait a little bit? For me, I always would like to do. What I like here is just play it a little bit calm here. I don't like to rush here on launch day. Look at market volatility is high. I'm not saying we have to go up here. Markets can still come down, and then you could be buying once again at $1 or so. We could for sure come down towards $1 and then once again increase. Never foam in. Maybe give the market 2 hours till it is going to settle down, and then you're going to take in your position, because most likely the volume is going to be pretty high. And look already at the sell volume currently, right? We're having a 700k candle already, and on a 1 minute. And of course, we're coming down all the way back towards $1.60 here again. Look at the market volatility. Never FOMO in towards the market here, but indeed, I personally think Kasta is a long-term game here. Everyone is everyone is saying right now, crashing or whatsoever here. I'm not really a person that like to sell once the market is coming down here. I like to sell once the market is coming up here. But yeah, looking good. BYBIT is you can't log in. Yeah, that's pretty unfortunate. Oh, look at this volatility. It's absolutely crazy, guys. I've never seen so high volume on 1 minute candles on a token that just got launched here. So it's back to $1.22, and that's what I just taught you a moment ago. Don't FOMO in, just give the market a little bit of its time here before buying in towards it. I never like to be buying live on I never like to be buying on the first 2 hours of the token launch. I rather always wait maybe 3 hours, maybe 4 hours, and then get my position in, of course. So yeah, looking forward towards it. Do remember, this is the 1 minute chart. On the 1 hour candles, it looks way different. So yeah, we're still up at approximately 30x, 32x right now here. So that's definitely very good to see. yeah, long term. I mean, I don't really care about what it is currently doing on the imminent short term here. I mean, the volumes are coming down a little bit here right now, to be honest. Previous candle was 700k candles, so that's pretty crazy. We can see the market is getting bought up already here, $1.50 back up here. So where some people just took some profits out of the market, it's pretty good here, because right now in this candle right here, we saw a lot of people exiting the market. The people that really was willing and planning to go out of the market, yeah, did exited the market over there. And currently the people that were ready to hodl and ready to buy are coming in. So it looks very good here. Looks very good. By the way, Bitcoin is down significantly. Bitcoin is down towards 46k right now. Bitcoin is down to 46k, so looking good, looking very, very strong here. The volume is probably not as big as people can't log in. That's true. Still, a lot of people are willing to accumulate the tokens, but they can't log in towards BYBIT. So probably it can be even higher than this, of course. I lost with VPAT, but I made it back now, thank God. I mean, of course, there are always people, there are always winners and losers on the token launch. And so far, the most amount of people are winners, because we're almost trading against all-time highs. And once we're trading on all-time highs, we're basically trading on levels where everyone is in profit. So that's, of course, extremely good here. I can't register on BYBIT. I mean, that wouldn't be very big of a problem. And of course, if you are interested in the token, where we already made a 35x on, check out the link in the description to get as well an extra deposit bonus. I lost on VPAT loads. I mean, I made a pretty good amount on VPAT, but I bought on 80 cents here, so I made like 2.5x or so from it, so it was pretty good. Yeah. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is dumping. Indeed, guys, we're keeping our eyes wide open on Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is indeed coming down again. So, what is going to be crucial for Bitcoin is this level of support that we do want to be holding up here, this range over here. This is the level that we do have to hold up, and currently we can see, yeah, Bitcoin is approaching this range once again here. So yeah, once again, of course, if you're approaching different charts, I mean, I can't load it up right now here, but this is definitely a crucial level for Bitcoin that we do have to hold on, of course. So it's looking good. You win some, you lose some. Just learn from your mistakes. That's true. But guys, anyways, right now, I want to be saying thank you so much for watching towards the stream here. We've been witnessing the token launch here. We've been seeing the first 30 minutes of the token launch, basically. Of course, it was not the smoothest launch here I've been seeing, and I was hoping, of course, BYBIT, of course, experiencing a lot of traffic, of course. But currently, of course, I'm still on my holiday. I'm here skiing in France, and I'm probably going back to the mountains right now. So guys, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing video. I will be quickly probably drop out another video about Bitcoin, but of course, if I'm dropping out the video, I'm doing it on my computer because it's a little bit better for you guys to see. So and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to be seeing a video, of course, that is going to get launched here. That's going to go live here anytime soon here on Bitcoin, because I really want to be going over the Bitcoin price action right now here, because Bitcoin looks interesting, and I do want to be discussing the Bitcoin price action right now. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell notification if you do not want to be missing out on that update video. But nevertheless, guys, thank you so much for watching. It was not the smoothest stream here. I don't like streaming from my phone, but I just did it today here. But guys, anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Bye.